Hi, my name is Isabella Lee, and today I'm going to be teaching y'all about Gimkit. What is Gimkit? It is an educational game platform where students can compete with other students to answer questions. Students or teachers can create their own kits or import them from a third-party site like Quizlet. It is a great study tool that can make studying more exciting. You can choose from many different games to test your knowledge. Why should you use Gimkit? It makes learning and studying more fun, engaging, and exciting. It encourages students to want to learn, and you can use Gimkit inside and outside of the classroom. The goal of teaching you how to use Gimkit is that you will learn how to join a game, create a game, and import flashcards into Gimkit. Objectives. 1. Students will be able to learn how to join a game on Gimkit where they can play one game to compete with others. 2. Students will be able to create one kit from scratch, learn how to import flashcards into Gimkits, and how to add photos to the questions. 3. Given that the students have created a kit, they will now learn how to export the Gimkit and learn how to start and play one game. The first thing I will be teaching you all how to do is to join a game. Once you have created an account on Gimkit, you're going to go to the Join Game button, and then a host will provide a game code for you, and you're just going to paste that into Gimkit and click Join. And then you're just going to type in your name and join, and you're going to wait for the host to start the game. As you can see, you see my little character in the little waiting area, and more people can join a game, and the host will start it once enough people join. In the classroom setting, a lot of teachers will create games for their students to do in class, and they will have a code on the screen and the whole class can join a game, and then the teacher or professor will start the game and everyone can play, and the whole class can compete against each other to answer the questions correctly. Next, I'll be teaching you how to create a kit from scratch. So you're going to go to this kits button in the top left, then you're going to click this new kit button over here, and then you're going to create a title. You're going to select the language you're using in your game, and you're just going to pick a subject that your game is going to be around. So I would just make this LDT 370 and click next. And then you can add a photo to your Gimkit if you want to. And then to create a kit from scratch, you're going to click add a question up here. And then you are able to type in however many questions you want, and you can type in the answer choices. So I can ask a question like, what color is the sky? And then you are able to type in answer choices down here, and you can customize them to however you want. And then to select which one is correct or wrong, you're going to click the check or X's on the side to make one incorrect or correct. And then to move on to another question, you're going to click add, and then you're going to click add question again to add another question. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to add a photo into your question on Gimkit. You're just going to click this add photo button below your question, and then it gives you two options. The first one is to search a photo in Gimkit's free photos, or you can link a photo. So I'm just going to search sky, and then you can select from any of these free photos that you want. And then to save it, you'll just click the save button on the bottom, and it will have the photo right here for your question. Some other cool features that Gimkit offers is that you can add audio to your question, or you can add a math equation. You can also add math equations to your answers down here as well as photos. Once you're done adding all the questions and answers that you want, you're just going to click this all done button up in the top right, and your kit will be created. Now I'm going to teach you all how to create a new kit by importing it from a pre-made flashcard set. You're just going to click new kit in the top right, and then you're going to title it like normal. And then you can pick a photo again, and then this time instead of clicking add question, you're going to click create with flashcards. And then to import it from an already made set, you're going to click import flashcards. And then this is where you're going to go to a third-party website. I'm going to do Quizlet. So I have a Quizlet that I created. I'm just going to click the three dots, click export, and then copy text. And then you go back to Gimkit, and you're going to paste all of your information from your Quizlet into the Gimkit and click create. And then Gimkit automatically creates questions and answer choices with your Quizlet or other third-party flashcard site that you use. And then you're just going to click all done. Now I'm going to show you all how to export a Gimkit that you've created. So you're just going to click on whichever Gimkit you want to export. And on the bottom left, you'll see the export button. You just click it and then you will click copy text. And that is the only way you can export on Gimkit, by just copying the text. So now I'm going to show you all how to play a game on Gimkit with your created kit. So you're going to select whichever kit you want to use for your game and click the play live button. And then all of these game options will come up. There's a ton. A lot of them are in categories. You have your classics right here, and then you have your fun ones and all these other ones that you can choose from. They all have different goals and everything, so you just have to see which one you want to do and whichever will help you learn the most. And you're just gonna select whichever one you want. I'm going to do boss battle, and you're gonna click continue. And then it gives you the option to customize your game. You can select your time, you can select if you want music or not, and all this other stuff. And then once you have selected all of that, you're going to click continue. And then since you're hosting, you will have this code, and you can give it to other people to start the game. Now that you all have learned how to use Gimkit and how to create a game, how to export a game, and how to join one, you are now a pro at Gimkit.